Evaluate the extent to which American society changed during the period from 1800 to 1865. Identify one major theme and trace its development during this period. Throughout U.S. history before 1865, cultural reform shaped the nation's social, political, and religious development as social activists strove to create a union that gave the population greater access to civil rights and liberties. The major theme of cultural reform captures the repeated efforts by Americans to improve society, expand democratic participation, and address moral concerns as the country grew. From 1800 to 1840, marked by the Market Revolution, the historical context related to the rise of Jacksonian democracy and the spread of the Second Great Awakening showed how Americans experienced major economic and political changes that sparked reform movements. Three key events before 1865 strongly demonstrate this pattern of cultural reform. A, the Second Great Awakening, B, the Abolitionist movement, and C, the Seneca Falls Convention, because each event shows how Americans responded to challenges in their society by seeking change through activism, moral persuasion, and organized change. Cultural reform is a major theme that refers to the recurring drive in American society to identify injustice or inequality and work towards improvement. In the early republic, especially between 1800 and 1860, rapid expansion during Manifest Destiny, increasing industrialization in the North, and the rise of Jacksonian democracy were historically significant because they encouraged Americans to reorganize and redefine their society. Reformers inspired by the Second Great Awakening, beginning in the 1820s, believed that individuals and communities could be transformed through education, religion, and collective action. This major theme explains the causation as to why so many movements, such as abolitionism, the temperance movement, women's rights activism after Seneca Falls Convention in 1848, and various education reforms all emerged before the Civil War. The Second Great Awakening demonstrates cultural reform through religious revivalism, as this change created a biblical appeal to the moral argument against vices. Beginning in the early 1800s, revival meetings led by experiential preachers like Charles Grandison Finney inspired ordinary Americans to believe they could overcome sins such as alcoholism and remake their communities through movements like temperance. This movement had a social effect because it sparked new reform efforts, including temperance and moral reform societies, showing how renewed faith motivated social change. The abolitionist movement also reflects cultural reform by demanding an end to slavery. Leaders such as Frederick Douglass and William Lloyd Garrison used speeches, newspapers, and petitions to expose the cruelty of slavery and call for immediate emancipation. Remember, there were less than 5,000 subscribers to Liberator, and this idea was a revolutionary, competing perspective. Their activism had a social effect because they showed how moral conviction inspires national debate and pushed Americans to confront deep injustices in society. The Seneca Falls Convention of 1848 represents cultural reform in the fight for women's rights. Organized by Elizabeth Cady Stanton and Lucretia Mott, the convention issued the Declaration of Sentiments, which demanded greater political and legal equality for women. This event had a social effect because it marked the beginning of an organized women's rights movement and demonstrated how reformers sought to renew American democracy by expanding it to more people.